Alright, so we're staying in room 593 here. This is kind of neat here. Sound effect. Oh, gotta watch out for the door. So when you first come in here, this is a fully renovated room. There would be access to the room on my left. That's another patient, I'm so used to the hospital, the guest room. So if you come in here first, go check out the bathroom before anything else. Just give me 1 second here. Okay. More like, 5 seconds, but okay. So yeah, I come into the bathroom here, and this is what you see. Towels, toiletries, very nice sink, toilet, and a walk-in shower. Here's the mirror, very well lit. Hello. The sink, very nice sink. The toilet too. Very fast. A lot of hotel toilets are slow and annoying. So if you open up this, I'm not going to run the shower this time. I'm just going to assume it works. That spot there, I think it's a scratch. Not quite sure. Yep, so there is the handles. This is actually a brand new room. It's just been renovated. We are the first to stay in here, I do believe. Yeah, this is very, very nice. So, I don't want people to be waiting outside. I got my family waiting outside for me to do this. Ironing board, iron, clothes hangers. There's the closet there. So you walk over here, first of all, that's not typically there. Another mirror. You go to your right, first of all, and there's your kind of mini kitchen, looks more like. There's a sink. I'll operate from left to right. Sink works pretty well, except drain looks a little slow. Cabinet, that just goes to the drain. There is the microwave and cups and maybe an ice. Yeah, I think the ice bucket's down there. Right here is the refrigerator, which is turned on. My to-go food, water bottle, and camera lens cleaner are not included. And then there's the coffee maker. Bed, what am I saying? I'm getting so messed up today. That is where the luggage goes. I thought that picture looked kind of neat just before I forget about it. So you have the couch here. Couch transforms into a pull-out bed. That's a king-size bed there. There's the desk with table. A little footrest kind of thing. Television, and I really should have had that muted long time ago. I guess it wasn't really that loud, so I guess I didn't hear it. Yeah, so there's TV. Did I not mute it? Oh, there we go. So the king bed here, apparently the mattresses haven't been replaced, but everything else practically has. Little nightstand. Let's see if one of these has a Bible in it. I call the floor, Ryan. What? Okay. Written on there. My brother must have wrote that. There's the Bible and whatnot. Time is 7:05 p.m. I'll let you look at that a bit. I went over that quite fast. Gotta learn to slow down. There's the other nightstand. Air conditioner. We haven't turned that on yet. It's nice temperature when we first came in. The art is very interesting. It looks like New York style. Let's see here. Here's the controls. Looks like it's different. Yeah, so there's the Ameristar over there. And the Hampton Inn. All these are connected. And the controls for that thingy. I must have missed this because I didn't look at this first. There are the thermostat controls. So yeah, sorry if this video is a little hard to watch, but here's your view of the room again. Quick view of the closet again. Oh, safe. And the bathroom. And then we're gonna head out. Alrighty, come in.
You know?
Yep. I will head out.
Yeah, where?
Somewhere. Yep. So see, I really like the sound effect on the little reader thing here. That's kind of neat. Yeah. Time locks has that. And the handle turns all the way when it locks back up. Oh well, so that was room 593, the best of my abilities. And that's it.